Tether Gold shows potential for a 3.3% move up by May 16, Gulf Capital Collector reports. Let's kick off with a glance at the most recent market activity. Tether Gold has slipped by 2.7% today and is currently hovering around $4,560.40. Let's break down today's forecast range. By May 16, Gulf Capital Collector expects the price to stand at $4,708.85, a gain of approximately 3.3%. 30 rates sees potential for Tether Gold to rise to $4,616, an increase close to 1.3%. Crypto Predictions notes the chance of moving higher to $4,582.60, implying a gain of 0.6%. Another prediction from Traders Union puts the target for Tether Gold at $4,563.85. That's approximately 0.1% up. And lastly, CoinDataFlow sees the price reaching $4,331.64 by tomorrow, a 5% drop. This forecast offers the most lucrative outcome. The outlooks are complete. Let's see the broader view. Having looked at the predictions, here's the next layer. After evaluating every forecast, the potential price change could lie between a decrease of 5% and a rise of 3.3%, depending on the analyst. Based on these forecasts, CoinDataFlow stands in first place with 5% climb in value by May 16. To sum it up, you could net between $1 and $50 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, Traders Union's forecast stands above the rest, showing a 67.5% chance of success. By bringing all the forecasts together, I've created a single consensus overview. The consensus calculation indicates Tether Gold trading near $4,560.59. Alright, here's the inside view. The consensus estimate points to growth of around 0.1%. This suggests your capital might also grow by roughly 0.1%. With $1,000 invested, the projection might correspond to a gain of about $1. The consensus scenario holds a likelihood of about 67.5% of taking shape. Here we go. Let's see what kind of short-term moves analysts are forecasting across the 3-day period. Gulf Capital Collector describes the path as tilting upward. 30 Rates notes that Tether Gold is likely to remain stable. Crypto Predictions highlights building pressure to the downside. Traders Union indicates that price action will stay calm, with no major developments ahead. According to CoinDataFlow, Tether Gold is set to slip. Overall, the consensus view indicates Tether Gold will move lower across this horizon. In conclusion, most forecasts point toward a bearish outlook for Tether Gold. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. As a result, the actual move took the price to $4,650.60. But in the end, none of the 5 forecasts had the direction right. If we check accuracy alone, CoinCodex was the closest. Here comes the breakdown. 2 forecasts were inside yesterday's candle. Speaking of ROI, part of the group achieved positive results, and Crypto Predictions had the highest return at 0.2%. Here's a quick summary table, a clear snapshot of forecast performance. The table includes Gulf Capital Collector with 63.5% forecast probability, $66.6 accuracy, and 1% ROI. Look across the results. Who do you think performed the best overall? Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Tether Gold and other cryptocurrencies. The top performer now is Uniswap with 2%, leaving Tether Gold behind. In this section, Tether Gold appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets is now live on my website. If Tether Gold is on your watch list, a quick like would tell me to keep covering it for you. See you at the next update.